guys, welcome back. Bushcraft with another video. And here we go again. The same kind of stuff that we went through 2020. And I'm talking about the sickness. Everybody knows what it is. I mean, it was a pandemic. It's you can say that now. But anyways, we have another one just popping right up, ready to go, according to the World Health Organization. The chief scientist, Jeremy something and other, warned bird flu has an extremely high mortality rate for humans and could mutate to pass between humans, despite no record of human-to-human transmission of the H5N1. Now, that being said, there's a lot of people out there saying this never happened and everything, but they never said the thing in 2020 would ever get loose and do what it did. Now, I admit it is a extremely bad flu, and people have died from it, and will probably continue to die from it. It's just the way things go, you know. We try to cover up one virus, and it ends up creating another one. And it usually makes it worse. But let's get on to the story here. The World Health Organization again sounded alarm about bird flu, warning it has an extremely high mortality rate among humans. The disease, the H5N1, avian influenza, I get it out, virus, also known as HPAI, I guess. It's, you know, it's the bird flu. You got to have all these fancy terms and everything. It's the bird flu. Can pass among some animals, according to the Center of Disease Control. And however, it has never passed from human to human. I've actually reported on this many moons ago, where a man living with ducks. Here, I'm living with the cats. Hey, stop digging my chair up. Behave yourself. A man living with ducks, and the ducks had the bird flu, and he actually caught it. He did not die. He went to the hospital and got fixed and was better, you know. But the fear that they ran with that was ridiculous. Anyway, still, again, this Jeremy guy said there is a great concern to the disease that may evolve and develop the ability to go from human to human. And that's the thing that worries me right there. The more they keep pushing that, saying, oh, it has the ability to go to human, it's going to go to human, do they know something we don't? Or are they working on something that we don't know about? Which you can almost say yes. Reports of the bird flu outbreak date back to the 1800s, according to the CDC. Since 2014, there have been increase in alarmist media stories about this virus. Early this month, well, it would have been last month, but reports again began circulating that the bird flu was detected in wild birds, poultry, a variety of mammals, including cats, dolphins, and smaller animals. You better watch out. You don't want to get the bird flu. Do you think you can get the bird flu? He doesn't seem to be bothered by it. Anyways, news outlets like New York Times reiterated Jeremy's warnings that the virus is mutating and could become could begin to pass between people. And the Daily Mail warned it could be 100 times worse than the 2020 word that we can't say. He also kicked those warnings into high gear during a news conference announcing the WHO new definition of airborne pathogens. It's a tragic thing to say, but if I get infected by the H5N1 and I die, that's the end of it. Farrar says, Jeremy, dude, I don't know if you say that his last name right. If I go around a community and spread it to somebody else, then you start a cycle. Well, duh. That's if it's spreadable, or if you guys, scientists, make something that gets out. Yeah, help it mutate, that type of thing. Anyways, this report goes on, and the cats are being ornery. Get on out of there, cat. Quiet. You can tell it's dinner time. Anyways, yeah, this is what we got coming up. And they are pushing this very hard. And there are companies already working on. So, I'm not trying to, scare people saying, ooh, it's coming and everything, but I don't know. I really hope that the powers that be that run things in the world don't decide to reduce the population anymore. That being said, it's always good to get familiar with your maker, as they say. Until next time, God bless.